This mood management series may seem professorial. Modifying moods requires information, perspective, and a fresh view of your life and your goals.
I'm a student. I wish they would take me more seriously.
I'm a homemaker, but sometimes I get bored.
Too much internet. I really need some friends. Mood management is for anyone. Raising a family can be challenging. Making business, career, or life choices is full of alternatives and crossroads. The workbook, Mood Management, Make Good Feelings Linger and Bad Feelings Fade by Dr. Thomas Meyer can help.
I see you have the workbook.
Uh-huh.
You don't seem excited about it.
No, not really. Looks like a lot of work, all these spaces to fill out and stuff.
But you bought the book. Something about the title, Mood Management, must have caught your eye. Or about having bad feelings.
I don't have a lot of bad feelings. Don't get me wrong, I'm fine. Just that I'm kind of searching.
Searching for what?
I don't know. Guess I want more out of life, but I don't think I'm going to find it in the book.
No, you're right. The book is just pieces of paper with print on it.
Yeah?
Well, listen, you're right. The book is not the answer. But maybe the book can be the guide, the structure, the format to you, to finding your own answers. Workbooks are just that, a path or a map. The map doesn't take you to your destination. You still have to follow the roads or paths, make the right turns, and even make the larger jumps, questioning if your map is taking you to the destination you seek.
Uh-huh.
Don't wait for excitement or enthusiasm to begin your journey. That's getting the cart before the horse. Let your journey itself inspire you. Change your feelings.
I told you, I don't have a lot of bad feelings.
I know.
Okay, enough of this. What are you asking me to do?
To read.
I read just fine.
I know. You read just fine. And you're not having lots of bad feelings. But you have the book. You made the small financial investment to get the book. You have it. Let's use it. A workbook is more than reading. And I know you read fine. A workbook is different because it requires you to do many exercises, thought experiments, if you will, to look at yourself and your situations in a different way. It's a kind of perspective taking, a fresh view, like sleeping on something overnight. Except with a workbook you're sitting on, that means you slow down your perspective taking because you have yourself actually write down your thoughts, feelings, and wants during the process of journaling or writing it all down. It slows us down.
I don't want to be slowed down. I procrastinate plenty on my own.
No, that's not exactly what I meant. The slowing down is more thoughtfulness, mindfulness, concentrated focus, and different from procrastination.
Okay, I can do that.
It can be hard work. Quiet room, contemplation, you being in control, total control of the book, and working the book rather than just reading it. That's what makes it a different experience than many traditional self-help books. The other thing is that it does is it doesn't assume that there's anything necessarily wrong with you, but it helps you target your goals, identify impediments to achieving those goals, breaking those goals down into small steps, and watching your feelings while you do it, and knowing that being strategic with life goals is a process that is never ending, even when you finish the workbook.
I don't have the uninterrupted time to do all that.
Well, you don't have to. In fact, you shouldn't. It's a process, not a class. You do it as much as you want in one sitting, then you come back to it later. There's actually a substantial benefit here, because let's say you wait a day or two before you go back to it, to the book, and you reread what you had written a few days ago. And you say to yourself, hey, I didn't feel that way today. I must have been in a different mood when I wrote that. So what it does is it helps you to separate moods from conclusions, temporary feelings from more enduring ones, and differentiate feelings from goals. It's all a learning experience about you.